It's getting pretty expensive to fly these days, not because of the ticket prices, but because of the ridiculous number of bags you need to buy. Consider again your shiny gold bag and the rules from the above example. Faded blue bags contain 0 other bags. Dotted black bags contain 0 other bags. Vibrant plum bags contain 11 other bags. 5 faded blue bags and 6 dotted black bags. Dark olive bags contain 7 other bags. 3 faded blue bags and 4 dotted black bags. So a single shiny gold bag must contain 1 dark olive bag, and the 7 bags within it, plus 2 vibrant plum bags, and the 11 bags within each of those. 1 plus 1 times 7 plus 2 times 11 equals 32 bags. Of course, the actual rules have a small chance of going several levels deeper than this example. Be sure to count all the bags, even if the nesting becomes topologically impractical. Here's another example. Shiny gold bags contain 2 dark red bags. Dark red bags contain 2 dark orange bags. Dark orange bags contain 2 dark yellow bags. Dark yellow bags contain 2 dark green bags. In this example, a single shiny gold bag must contain 126 other bags. How many individual bags are required inside your single shiny gold bag? Interesting thing about this one, I think we can just, let's see, I can make my find bag still shiny gold. But I think we can just kind of like swap around something in Bag Finder. Oops. Save this. So right now in Find Bags, what we're doing is we're saying, hey, filter for this bag, and it's the contents bag, and this one we're kind of like filter for if it contains, yeah. So I think we can just swap this. So let's make this find bags containing, and we'll copy this and we'll say find bags within bag. And what was this number? How many individual bags are required inside your single shiny gold bag? Let's see. Input.match, we would just reverse these. We would say, get all examples where our bag contains these bags. And then I think what we do, hold on, this might change a little bit. Yeah, this might change a little bit. Because there should only be one example of our bag. So what we're really doing here is a find. So I find input.match bags contain, right? Find. Oh, there's not a find. Find index first. First element or first X elements. I'm looking for, let's see, count, cycle, deconstruct, delete, add, dig, drop while each empty. Fetch. Tries to return the element at position index. Not helpful. Let's go back to the top. So we were looking at fetch. Fill, filter, first, flatten, hash, include, inspect. What's inspect? Creates a string representation of self? No. Intersection, join, last, length, map, max, min, min, max, none, 1? True or false? Okay, so that's if there's one example of this, which isn't what I'm looking for. I went to find one. Select. This gets all of them. Well, let me search and see if there's an any. There isn't any, but it doesn't return. Let's see. Do you have your little thing that says, nope, you don't have your thing. How about take? Returns first in elements from enum. I really wanted to just find one because I know that's more performant, but it looks like that's not going to be an option. So we're just going to do input.match, and we're going to do, what was it? Filter. This is going to return 1, so we're going to do dot first. Then we're going to say, for that first one, I want to get your match. And this is going to return multiple matches for, let's see, bag/w/w plus. You know what it is? It's like a /d space /w plus/w plus. And then after that comes back. And is this going to return every instance? I feel like that's what match does. String match. Ruby. All right, and then we go down to match. Converts pattern to a regex p, then invokes its match method on the string. If the second parameter is present, it specifies the position of the string to begin the search. Let's see. I wanna, oh, there we go. Return result. Let's look at regex match. I wanna know if this returns the first result or all of them. Here's match. Returns a match data object describing the match or nil if there was no match. This is equivalent to retrieving the value of this. If a block is given, invoke this. Match data is match success, so you can write this. The return value from the block execution in this case. I think this is all of them, but there's a quick and easy way to find out. We can find bags within bag, and I think what we can do, let's see. So we have find bags. And this is now find bags containing. So this needs to be find bags containing bag. Nice. Come down here, come over here. This should be the describe level. Yep. Tab all this in. And instead of find bags, we say find bags within. And according to this one, a shiny gold bag has a dark olive and a vibrant plum. So we would expect this to have dark olive, vibrant plum. And this would be 2 vibrant plum. And this would be 1 dark olive. And we could delete the muted yellow one. That N goes there. Uh-oh. View error message. Ah, I have a double slash right there. Save it. Okay, what's your problem now? Unexpected end on require solution day 7. Oh, okay. So here there's an unexpected end. Is that better? Okay, that worked. Did this pass? It doesn't say anything. Oh, there it goes. Okay, it failed. The challenge that I'm seeing here already is this match data 1 dark olive bag does not reflect the multiple bags. Can I do like another capture group? Then put a plus at the end. And what do we get? 1 dark olive bag, 1 dark olive. Okay, so this still pulled the first match. It did not pull multiple matches. Matches. So what do we have for this? Options. Let's see. Because I want to get multiple. You know what? I know I've done this before. I got multiples when we were doing the other one. When we were doing... Not that. This. When we were working on, I think it was day 6. Oh, day 6 isn't here. Did I do it with this one? Nope. Day 4? I think I did. No, I only had to do it once. Yeah, this one I'm only matching on 1. Day 1, day 3, day 2. What was this one? Match min max, parsed password. That one I didn't have to capture multiple matches. Oh, so maybe I haven't. Maybe I haven't done this before. I thought we did it for day 6, but day 6 isn't here. I can go look at my pull requests. I can go look at my code. Solutions. Where is day 6? Day 6 is probably on a different branch in this PR. Let me pull this open and let's see. Multiple regex matches Ruby. Scan! That's what it was. Scan. One dark olive bag, 2 vibrant plum. Okay, so we might not, do we need this plus? I think we just need that. And it'll scan for multiple copies. Beautiful, 1 dark olive, 2 vibrant plum. Let's see. I wonder if I can do something where I'm like, hey, get the digit, get the word combo. What does that give me? 1 dark olive, 2 vibrant plum. I like that. I like that a lot. Instead of just having these be unnamed though, I'm gonna swap this out and I'm going to make this, where are my carrots? Here they are. Count. And then we'll do a question mark at the beginning. Bag. Yay. And then we save this. What? I thought you were gonna give me the thing where I got like the names, count and bag. Does that not work with scan? Give me Ruby scan. Scan. Scan/W, scan this, scan that, print this, nothing about named capture groups. Nothing about them. All right, be that way. You know, they actually don't have a lot of that at all now that I think about it. Let's see, bag/W plus/W plus bag. Let me run this again. Well, it's close enough. I think what I can do is I can literally say, you've got an array of dark olive included in you. Oh, that worked. Yeah. 2, comma, quote, close the array. And what was the expected result of this thing again? For example, a single shiny gold bag must contain 126 other bags. Yep. Oh no, what are you broken on? Oh, never mind, you passed. Okay, so find bags works. Find bags within. And right here we just say bagaroos. I don't know. I'm out of synonyms. Purses. Purses equals and what we're gonna do here is we're gonna say at part equals 1. We're gonna do find bags containing or we're gonna do find bags within bag. Bag finder is gonna be purses. And at the end of bag finder, at the end of process, we have bag list.count. So I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna go up here to like, I don't have a bag finder yet. That's fine. This is gonna be the same thing where we say, you know what? Let's do find bags. And we'll pass in a bag. And we'll just move this to here. And then I get rid of this. This goes back to being find bag bags. That goes back to being find bags bags. Bag finder bags. Bag list.count. And instead, okay, so everything else here is working. Now the problem is for this one, if I binding.pry here, and which one do I want? I want this one. Yeah, this is always the same input. This one's expected to equal 126. Hang on, don't we have a different input for this one? Instead of the light red bags, all that sort of jazz? Yeah, we have shiny gold bags contain this. Every time. Alright, let's drop that in. Go alt, add my quote. Go to the end here. And we'll click this, then we'll go alt. Yep. Save it. Now how are we doing? This number should be wrong. The rest of this should be fine. I need to comment out this binding.pry. Okay, so I expected 126 and I got... That's not right. Yeah, 47, huh? 47. Let's see that one. Okay, so bags was too dark red. Ah, I see the problem now. Yup, I see the problem now. Ha 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 ha. That's a problem. My bag finder is planning to traverse this based on this number, but I actually need to collect all the bag numbers too. Alright, well, you know what? We're just gonna copy bag finder and we're gonna use something else. Do I need to? New bags equals bags minus bag list. What am I shoving in bag list right now? I'm shoving in 2 dark red. Right? Let me binding.pry here. Let's see. What is in bags? It's 2 dark red. What is going to be in bag list? 2 dark red. That's reasonable. How do I say use the second bag? Also, I'm not returning bags plural, I'm returning bags singular. But I could be returning bags plural because this could be like contains X bags of X because we're using the same input. Yeah, so it could return multiple bags. Why don't they return multiple bags in this one? I have the same input, right? Yeah, I have the same input. Huh. Odd. Anyway, bags minus bag list. So this could be bags plural. And if it were bags, I would be using the second number. So I guess I just need to turn new bags into a list of bags, right? So I would say something like bags dot pluck second. No, you didn't like that. You didn't like pluck at all. Collect. How about map? There is definitely supposed to be a second for 2 dark... Let me show you this. There is supposed to be a second? Nope. Okay, so that's the problem. So then if I just go over this and I do map and I make these curly braces instead and I say bag bag 1, it would end up with dark red. And the rest of this stuff should work then. Let me do put exclamation mark. This is looking real, I'm not removing existing bags. That's okay though. I think I want repeats. Because if I have 2 dark yellow bags in one, and I have another 2 dark yellow bags in another one, then I think I actually do want to know about that. Yeah, so we don't need to subtract bag list anymore. But we do want to map. So this would be map part equal 1, question mark, bags minus bag list, or just get the bags. Regardless, union bags in bag list. If new bags is empty, then we're done. Otherwise, new bags.each do bag, bag finder find bags. Yes? Okay, I saved this. Remove this binding.pry. Expected 126, and I got 6. That makes sense because right here we're doing baglist.count, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bags. 1 plus, okay, so this is gonna be another if part. This one, I think I'm going to change it up. I want to do like if this else and what you can actually do in Ruby is you can say new bag equals the result of an if. So I can say if part 1, yeah, new bags equals bag minus bag list, else it's equal to this. Lovely. And I noticed I had an extra space in here. All right, good. Then up here, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna say if part equals 1, and I can tell that I've designed this poorly from the fact that I'm having to change so much in order to invert the order. But I think that's okay. At least I'm okay with it. At baglist dot sum curly braces bags. We're gonna do 2. Let's have our little pipe here. Bag 0. Right? Can I do and colon first? String can't be coerced into integer. I should have been paying attention to that. 2i. Got 12. Not so good. Oh, I have made a grave mistake here. I've made a grave mistake here that's unrecoverable. So my first solution, what I did is I looped through this and I collected all of the bags that I would need, but I have no mapping to how many bags are in each of these. And I don't iterate through this list multiple times. I just say dark red bag contains 2 dark orange bags, and then I go check dark orange bags. I do not multiply by the count. I might be able to fix this. I was despondent at first, but I might be able to fix this. So we do find bags, bag finder. I get my new bags. What I could do is I could sum as I bag find, right? Like I could say return baglist.count if part 1. Yeah, I've really messed something up. Let's see. This is starting to almost be worth pulling into a separate method. Because I'm going to be doing something completely different here. Yeah. Yep. So my first one is pretty much, yeah, not great. So we'll say if part 1 then we do this bag finder, we return baglist.count. The fact that I am starting this early is a really bad sign. Bag counter. How about bag counter? Because I think I've got different traversal pretty much throughout this entire thing. Right, like in this first one, I'm saying new bags equals bags minus bag list. Then what I'm gonna do next is instead of doing that, I'm literally gonna say like, yeah, I'm doing bags.map, which is these are the new bags you need to check. And then instead of doing bag list, what I'm thinking is I might need to say something like, Let's see, if new bags is empty, return. Return 1 if new bag's empty. What I'm thinking I might need to do is, I have my new bags back. You know, we're just gonna empty this. We're gonna start with like bag counter, right? Because what this is supposed to do is it's supposed to return 2 and then search dark red bags, and that's clearly not working. So if I have new bags dot each, I would do, yeah, I think we're looking at bags dot each. Yes. And so we would have count, comma, bag. So we would return count times bag finder find bags. Yeah, so if bags dot empty, return 1. And what if we make this a map? And we do count times bag finder. So we've now got a number. And then we do sum. Yeah, dot sum. And this is count dot to I. Yes, array can't be coerced. Let's see. Array can't be coerced into integer. Interesting. Okay, I want to see what happens. Yeah, what happens at the end of this? Finding that pry. I don't even get there. I don't even get there? In the map, it's using an index, and we don't want an index. Right? No. We'll put a binding dot right before. We'll go in here, and we'll quit, exit, and we'll run 47 again. Okay. Here is what I am looking at. What is bags? Bags is 2 dark red. What is this? Unexpected output. Great. Lovely. What if I do something like, what if I just quit? I quit, I'll go into it, everything fails. Array can't be coerced into integer. That's in the multiply. Okay, let's put the binding dot pry in front of this. And this is not giving me anything helpful, so I'm getting rid of it. Beautiful. What is count? Count is 2. What is count dot to I? 2. Lovely. What is bag finder? No, we're not even gonna go that far. What is bag? Dark red. What is this? 2 dark orange. Okay. That feels reasonable. What does this return? Right? Because if I call this again, what? You're not doing the right thing, are you? Is that what's happening? This count.2i seems to be working. What if we just remove this sum? What happens if I just remove that? This bag finder, I think, is the problem. Right now, bag finder returns bag, stop map, do count bag, right? Right. We return 1 if bags is empty. I need more focus. So we're gonna describe find bags. We're gonna describe bag counter. Bag stop map do count bag. No, we're not gonna do that. Let's see. Should just built a linked list. Or graph, not a linked list. It's not a one line. 47. Where are we going wrong here? Bag finder isn't returning a number. That makes sense. Returning an array. Bag finder turns 1 if bag's empty. Count bag. Find bags gets passed into this thing. Immediately go into bag stop map. We say what is the count, what is the bag. Count 2i times bag finder. Bag finder should return the sum of all of the bags and their map values, but I don't know what their map values are. Let's just have an explicit return. Return 1. This is not the right value, but it's going to give me the opportunity to see what is being created here. It doesn't even get that far. Bag finder! We're calling bag counter! Oh, I knew it was something dumb. Okay. Knew it was some silly mistake. I knew it was some silly mistake. Okay. Here we go. We're at the binding nut pry. What is this bags map thing? I'm gonna copy it line by line. Count to I. End. It is 2. It's 2. It's 2. It's 2. What is bags? 2 dark violet. What is find bags dark violet? Nothing. Nothing? Nothing. 47? 47. 47. 2. Dark violet bags contain no other bags. Oh, you did not like that. That's okay though. We're gonna add a dot sum at the end of this. Try it again. Got 64. Hey. Hey, that's half of this. That's not quite half of this. Shiny gold bags contain 2 dark red bags. Let's see. My first bag. This needs to be 1 plus bag counter bags. I start with find bags on bag. My bag is shiny gold. I should have 2 red bags in my bag counter. Why don't I do a binding.pry here? I want to know what you're getting. Okay, so what is bags? 2 dark red. Then we check 2 dark orange. I see the problem here. This is 2 times. Quit, exclamation mark. Exit, exclamation mark. I think my best bet here is actually just to pass find bag in an array. I could have done that here. At find bag. Oh no, I couldn't. Yeah, first one here has to be find bags, find bag. The only problem is it does not go through bag counter that way, right? Because we don't, no, we do start with 2 red bags. Oh, hang on, I think I got this wrong. This is 1 shiny gold bag plus bag counter bags. Return 1 if bag's not empty. This would be 2 dark red bags. Okay, so we're gonna go through this again because I thought I had it, but I did not. Okay. So this is gonna be 2 dark red bags. So we do count.2i, which is 2 times bag counter find bags. Bag. Okay. Then we would see 2 dark orange bags. So we'd have 1 plus 2 times 2. 2 dark yellow bags. 2 dark green bags. 2 dark blue bags. 2 dark violet bags. No bags, so we return 1 if bag's not empty. $165 and I should have 126. Let's see. Like, I'm clearly missing 1, right? Yeah. Right, what is the count? 2. What is the bag? Dark violet. I've got this in the wrong spot, don't I? That's 2. And that's correct. 2 dark violet bags. Yeah, you broke because of this binding.pry. Let's put it before this. So Ruby, the last statement is an implicit return. So if I make my binding.pry the last statement, it's going to be like, oh, okay. I'm surprised, but sure. Let me check count bag, dark orange. I mean, this is clearly like all the way down gonna be the right one, but like, what's my bag? Dark violet. 64. It's 64 again. Is that right? A single shiny gold bag must contain 126 other bags. Okay, so I don't add the shiny gold bag. So I am just missing one. Because this count is whatever I've passed in, right? You know what? This is confusing. I'm gonna make this 3. And I'm gonna look at count. That's 3. So this is gonna do 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. We get to the dark violet, and because it contains no other bags, that no other bags is gonna return a 1, but we still have 2 times dark violet. You know what, let's make this a 3 too. We're gonna save this. We're gonna exit out of this. Then we're gonna run 47. We're gonna do bag, dark red, count, 3. Uh-oh. I missed it. 2, 3, 4, bag. Oh, no, I wanted to quit. Bag, dark violet. What is the count? The count is 3. So right here, I would do bag counter find bags bag, and this is gonna return 1. So I would do 3 times 1, right? Yeah, which would give me 3. Exactly 3. And then I would say there's 2 of 3, which is 6. Where's it going wrong? Gold, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. Gold, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. That's a straight Roji Biv. Yep. Yep. Is this right? So we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to the 6. Where's my little raise thing? Da, 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 da. Raised to the 6. It's 64. Two violet, 2 blue, 2 green, 2 yellow, 2 orange, 2 red. A shiny gold bag contains 2, right? So let's start there. A shiny gold bag contains 2. And then a dark red bag contains 2. So we multiply by 2. An orange bag contains 2. A yellow bag contains 2. A green bag contains 2. A blue bag contains 2. Oh. Well, how'd I end up with that many? Gold, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. How'd I end up with 7? Hang on. 2 dark red bags. So I do 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gold contains 2. Red contains 2. Okay. Gold contains 2. So we have 1 to 2 times 2. There's clearly 6 here. Gold contains 2 dark red bags, which contains 2 dark orange bags, which contains 2 yellow bags, which contains 2 green bags, which contains 2 blue bags, which contains a violet bag. So this violet bag is supposed to be worth 2? I had it multiplying by 1 because that would be representative of the dark violet bag. Is it that the gold doesn't multiply by 2? Hold on, I start with shiny gold. That contains 2 red. So I have a 2 dark red, right? I multiply that by a 2 dark orange. So you have 2 times 2 times 2 dark yellow times 2 dark green times 2 dark blue times 2 dark violet. 2 dark red times 2 dark orange times 2 dark yellow times 2 dark green times 2 dark violet. 2 red bags. Inside each 2 red bags is 2 orange bags. Inside each 2 orange bags are 2 yellow bags. Inside each 2 green bags are 2 blue bags. Inside each 2 blue bags there are 2 violet bags. Inside of each violet bag there are no other bags. This one is supposed to be the dark violet bag because it contains no other bags. Let me try this again. I have a gold bag. That gold bag contains 2 red bags. That red bag contains 2 orange bags. That orange bag contains 2 yellow bags. That 2 yellow bags contains 2 green bags. The green bag contains 2 blue bags. 2 blue bags contain 2 violet bags. That one comes to this. 1 gold, 2 red, 2 orange, 2 yellow, 2 green, 2 blue, 2 violet. I'm just gonna run it. $490.86. What do I get with $490.86? That's not the right answer. Your answer is too low. Okay, well, let me look through this. Let me find my gold bag. What is it? Is it a fancy gold bag? Shiny gold bag. I don't know why this isn't working. Shiny gold bags contain 2 dark chartreuse bags, 2 bright silver bags, 1 striped bronze bag, and 2 pale maroon bags. Why did they do this to me? How did this even return a result? How did this even return a result? I don't sum this. Oh, but I sum it here. Alright, let me do this. Purses equals purses dot sum. And I'll put a binding nap right here. I'll put a binding here. And I'll jump to, well, I haven't gotten this one right, but I don't know, I don't understand why this one isn't working. I don't understand why this isn't 2 to the 6. So I want to look at something that's a little bit more complicated. Okay, so if I look at purses, what do I see? I see 1, 4, 1, 5. Okay, what was bags? Bags was 1 plaid plum, 4 striped tomato, 1 mirrored orange, and 5 mirrored fuchsia. That does not seem correct. Shiny gold bags contain 2 dark chartreuse bags. Interesting. But I guess I am at the end, so I'm at a tail, right? Why do I have so many bags then? Yeah, who has 1 plaid plum and 4 striped tomato? Let's search for 4 striped tomato. 4 striped tomato bags. Apparently a lot. That's maybe not gonna work so great. Okay. Bags. 1 striped teal, 3 pale magenta, 3 striped tomato. And what is purses? Okay, so the striped teal contained 11, the pale magenta contains 3, and the striped tomato contains 3. And purses.sum was 17. That feels right. Because you would have each of what's in each bag. Weren't I getting to any, like, ones? You know what I mean? Oh, I guess it's because the bag's not empty. 5131. This is how many bags are in each of these bags. And these bags are... bags. This is not helping me. It does tell me the muted brown has 51 bags in it, the light violet has 3, and the mirrored green has 1. So if I sum these, I would get the parent bag. Find bags within. Get the count for the bag. We know that's working. Oops. I'm gonna exit this one. I think the shiny gold is being excluded from this process. That's my best bet. What I could do is I could do something like 1 comma shiny gold. What do I get when that's the case? Also, where's my binding? Yeah, if I strip this out. What happens here? Expected 126. Got 64. Got 64. These are the bags. Man, I don't know. Let me, maybe I need a describe for bag counter. That's all I can come up with. Unfortunately, I am out of time. Okay, I had to draw this out in order to figure it out, but when I had count 2i times bag counter, I'm only counting the bags that are contained within this bag. So like if I look at this, if these are my dark violet bags and I have one of these, and then they're contained within a dark blue bag, that isn't 2 bags, which is what I was counting it as. That's 3 bags. And then this bag would have 7 bags total if I'm counting that node. So I think that's where I went wrong. And I added this 1 plus purses.sum, and it got us all the way up to 127, which is just 1 off. So what I'm gonna try is I'm gonna just try the answer that it gave me, which is 54,804, which seems larger than the previous number, and I'm gonna subtract 1 from it. Ha! I may not know where that extra 1 is coming from, but I do know how to get rid of it. So that's a thing, that's an option. To make this a little bit more repeatable, what I could do, let's see, what is this one again? This is process. This is so, never quote me as having done this. Just like hide this. Like, don't share this video, don't like, don't comment, don't subscribe, like, bury this video as much as possible. Stop watching right now because I don't want anybody to know that I just did bag counter -1. Oh yeah, that's right. This is supposed to be 3. That was the correct answer because I don't know where that 1 is coming from. Maybe it's the shiny gold bag, maybe it's something else. But we have 7 examples, 0 failures, and we've passed day 7. Thank you all so much for watching. Like I said, don't like, don't comment, stop watching this video, hide it, don't share it, don't tell your friends. I don't want anybody to know about line 20 right here. Don't tweet it. Don't do any of that stuff. All right. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out. Don't share this video. Bye.